Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add payment method on Google AdSense. So first of all, of course, all you need to do is just go and open Google AdSense, or first of all, just open our browser. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser such as Google Chrome, maybe, or any other browser to be possibly working for you. That will be great. Then just after opening your browser, go here to your URL and type Google AdSense and hit the enter button. So that will be cool if we avoid the add a link or websites. So it's actually the same, but let's just avoid it. So of course, let me just go here and click at this link, which is the Google AdSense link. And as you can see, that will actually be our page. So of course, if you want to log in into your account, you'll need to click add connection. But if you don't have an account, just go and click at start and you'll create your account with a Google account. So you'll not go through all the boring steps of creating your account. Don't worry. So let me just go here and click as connection, as you should, of course, or as you already did, maybe. And let me just like change this account because it's deactivated. And as you can see, this will actually be your home or your main screen when you log in into your account. So of course, if you want to add a payment method, all you need to do simply just go here at the left, so then click as payment option. So of course from here you'd like to click add the payment info, and as you can see, so of course if you want to add a payment method, for me, as you will not find this page if it's your first time. So of course, if it's your first time and you want to add a payment method, you will find here an option called payment method, add payment method. For me, I already did that, that's why it's nothing appear here. So let me just click here at manage settings to show you what you're going to add on this payments method. So of course, you will add all this payments details on profile, and then you'll add your bank account when you click add payments method, and that will actually give you the opportunity to start getting paid from Google AdSense. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.